Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to pay for an airline flight with GCash. To pay for flights using GCash, first open the GCash app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the Pay Bills option from the main dashboard. Here, select Transportation under Bill categories. Now, choose the airline you want to pay for. Enter the necessary details such as the amount and booking reference number. Lastly, confirm the payment details and tap Pay. Some transactions may require additional verification steps. Ensure that you follow any instructions provided by GCash or the airline to complete the payment. After the payment is processed, check for a confirmation message or email from both GCash and the airline to ensure that your booking is successful. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about using GCash for airline bookings, it's advisable to contact the GCash customer support or the airline's customer service for assistance. Always use secure and reliable internet connections when making online transactions, and be aware of any fees or terms associated with using GCash for airline payments. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.